In this video, we'll cover half-life. Half of a reaction refers to the time it requires for a concentration of reactant to reduce by half. And as shown in this image here, you see there's 1 molarity of, say, hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. As time passed, it has reduced to half, 0.500 molarity. The time it took in order for this reaction to occur where peroxide decomposes to water and oxygen, well, it took 6 hours. Then another half-life has passed, another 6 hours has passed, and you see that the concentration is now divided by 2 from the 0.5. So again, to look at this value of this particular half-life, you see the comparison between the time and the comparison between the initial concentration and when it reduced by half. And the second one was then it was reduced by half, and that took another 6 hours. Now, this is in particular for a first order reaction. All of these orders will have a different equation for half-life. So let's go ahead and introduce the first order reaction equation for half-life. And that is that half-life, meaning the time, is equal to ln of 2 divided by k, or 0.693 divided by k for this particular reaction. So we know that in order to find, say, the k value, and we know the half-life is 6 hours, we can indicate the rate constant pretty quickly. So say this is 6 hours is equal to ln of 2k. Well, if I want k by itself, I'm going to go ahead and multiply k both sides. That's going to give me 6k equals ln of 2 divided by 6 both sides, and I should get k is equal to ln of 2 over 6. So I'm going to go ahead and punch that into the calculator. So ln of 2, and then I'm going to divide that by 6, and that's approximately 0.116. 0.116, and we know that this is first order reaction and it's by hours, so it's hours to the first power, or per hour. So that's my rate constant. You can definitely do a learning check based on what we have learned so far. It says the first order radioactive decay of iodine 131 exhibits a rate constant of 0.38 days to the negative first power, so per day. What is the half-life for this decay? So you can see there's 2 information that's given, which is that it is first order and the rate constant is this. So first order reaction always has this equation, half-life of time is equal to ln of 2 over k, and it gives you k, which is 0.38138 d to the negative first. I would have ln of 2 divided by 0.138. That gives me the time of 5.02 days. All right, so let's move on. The other order, like the second order and the first 0 order, are the equation is shown below. Notice that here there is an extra information that is needed, which is the initial concentration of the reactant. So it is dependent on the initial concentration of the reactant. Whereas the first order, it did not. It didn't have any initial concentration incorporated into the equation. So you're going to use one of these in order to do a half-life problem solving. Let's do a learning check based on one of those equations. So here it says reaction of butadiene gas to yield C8H12 gas is described by the equation as shown in the reactant and the product equation. This reaction is second order, so that's my important information to grasp. The rate constant it's shown right here, so it's giving you K. And then it started with the initial concentration of butadiene as 0.2 molarity. So what is its half-life? So let's go ahead and calculate this out. T half is equal to 1 over K, which is 5.76 times 10 to the negative 2. And then you have K, which, initial concentration of the reactant, which is that. All right, so we can go ahead and plug this into the calculator. All right, let's get my calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. 1 over, I don't like working with decimal, but I'll just go ahead and do it anyways. It's 5.76 times 10 to the negative 2. And then I'll go ahead and plug in 0.200 and then close the parentheses 2 times. And I would get 86.8, and then this would be minutes, since we're talking about minutes here. Okay, so that's how long it will take in order for this concentration to diminish to half 0.100. And if it wants to do another, go down to say 0.050, another half has been diminished, and it's going to take another 86.8 minutes.